Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to take a look at the Logitech Pro Super Lightweight Mouse. And this is the companion for the Pro XTKL Lightspeed keyboard. They work together and in conjunction. So I'm going to make this very simple. I know a lot of guys get on and they'll show you how the mouse works on their screen. You know, most of that's okay, but you really don't care too much about that. You don't need to know that. You just need to know what kind of functions it has and is it going to, benefit you. So we're going to open this thing up and see what's inside. The first thing I'm going to tell you is I can tell from the box it's going to be pretty light. It claims that it is an ultra light. I believe it. So this is a USB charging type system. You don't have to keep putting batteries in this. Let's see what it feels like. Comes out of the container. This is featherweight. It is incredibly light. I don't think I have ever felt a mouse this light. Now, one of the things I noticed right off the bat when I flip it over is they put a rubber disc in here to keep this thing from scratching. So they try very hard to keep it in great shape before it gets to you. Now, let's take this and set it down for a second. Let's make sure there's nothing else in the box, which I'm sure there has to be. So we open it up. There's a little cover here. We move that. And it says a little box that says play to win. It is going to, there's your little doogle and an extender. Now, I like the extenders. The reason they use the extenders is this is a wireless system. Now, you can use the cord and plug it in if you want to do that and you don't want to use the wireless. But say that you are a little ways away. Say your monitor is up on a wall further away and you're setting back and your doogle is up by the computer and you're kind of losing connection sometimes, you can use the cord and put the extender on and have this doogle closer to you so that you don't lose connection. That's a really good plus. I like that. All right. And here is your cord. Just a standard USB cord and plug it. Now the tip is a little different. It's got some little wings on it to be able to tie in. That's pretty cool. And it has, looks like a bunch of little pads and stickers and things like that. So if you wanted to mount this doogle, you can. That's kind of a cool deal. All right, now I would imagine the pads probably can go on the bottoms of these, I guess, too. I'm not real sure exactly where all they're using the pads. It'll probably help to read the instructions for that part of it. So we'll set that aside for a minute. So as far as instructions, it doesn't look like they even put any instructions paper-wise in the box. You're going to want to go to the LG Hub because the LG Hub will control things, other devices you have like the keyboard. I can change lights and stuff on the keyboard and programming and all kinds of things. Well, on the mouse, you have several buttons and several of these are programmable to do the things you want. So if you're a video editor or something like that and you want to open up a certain function, you can program this to do that with a click of a button so that it saves you all of those steps. But you have to download the LG Hub and go in there. And when you do that, you'll go in, you'll be able to see the power of the unit. You'll be able to change those settings. I mean, all kinds of things. That's a definite that you really want to do with these units. Now, looking at it, like I said, very lightweight. I love the wheel. The wheel's very smooth, but it rides up higher, and I love the grip on it. Very nice. Double-keyed mouse, and I can tell you it's going to be phenomenal to use. So they do have a protective cover also on the bottom here. So through shipping, you're just going to want to peel that back, take it off. So now it can ride super easy. Also, this is using the Hero type software that makes it lightning fast and works very well with these keyboards. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, pick up 2 or 3, give them as gifts. If you have the keyboard, you definitely want to get the companion mouse. I hope this helps, and we'll see you guys on the next review.